Hi, and welcome to evalink Tutorials. Together, we will create a new evalink Talos account in 5 easy steps. First, open your browser and navigate to talos.evalink.io. Select your preferred language, and then click on Register. Enter your email address, a password, your first and last name, and finally, click on Sign Up. Then, you will need to verify your account by clicking on the link that we have just sent to your mailbox. After this verification, log in to talos.evalink.io using the credentials you've just created. You now need to add your company name. And that's it! You're now registered with evalink Talos, where you can view your dashboard, manage your alarms, add integrations, create powerful workflows, and more.